Every day we get caught up with work, house chores, kids, and every other thing that life throws at us. Time is definitely something that is even more precious than gold. What if I told you that you could improve your wellness, mindset, resilience, and productivity in just 5 minutes? One of the things that has helped me stay balanced and mentally fit during these crazy, trying times is by using an app called 5 Minutes for Me. I'm super excited to share about this app with you because the list of celebrities and certified professionals found on this app is impressive. The quality of the podcast is wow. More than that, we can tune in while doing other work, such as cooking, cleaning, playing with our kids. Except when you're listening to meditative sessions, I wouldn't suggest that you listen to it while driving. And best of all, every podcast is only about 5 minutes long. Personally, I love the wellness section the most. I find the meditative sessions super relaxing and calming. A note here, I'm not getting any commission from this, but still, I am so happy to collaborate with 5 Minutes for Me to offer all of you lovely souls a free 1-month trial for this app. The usual price is $4.99 per month. Here's how to get your 1-month free trial. Firstly, download the app. It's available for both Android and Apple users. Next, open the app and tap on the top right-hand corner where you see a profile photo icon. And lastly, input the code TRISH2021 under promo code. Save and done. If you need any help with getting the app or to input the code, please feel free to write to me down in the comments below or reach out to the team at 5 Minutes for Me. They are super friendly and will be happy to help. Try out the app and see if it's for you. Thanks so much for watching. Do enjoy the free app, my dear friends. Stay healthy, take care, and God bless.